Sadly, I have something to say, says Jerpy Spider-Man, which is me. My cat, a furry cat, hunting cat, killed a bird. He brought it to me. Right there. Right there. Right there. And I would feel sorry for him if I had any feelings left. Oh wow, look at him. Look at his dead body flopping around. Look at the poor guy. Rest in peace. Who wants to watch me bury him? Bury him. I was gonna eat him, but I'd probably die from something. Some type of disease or something. You know, normal stuff. Or I would let my cat continue eating him, but he probably wouldn't eat them all. I mean, that's basic sense, right? So, let's, where's my shovel? Right there. Okay. I don't mind the backyard. It's not mine. Let's put this bird here. Oh, no, don't roll. Okay, you fucking rolled off. Okay. Bird, there. Shovel, here. Time to dig. Straight in the middle of my backyard. Let's move over here. Where I can... Yeah, I can't dig there. I wonder if this place can be... Why is the rocks everywhere blocking me from digging? I wonder if there's any rocks, right? Here. Wonderful place to dig. No, I still can't. Wow. That's annoying. What if I do right here? What the? It's just rock. How do I bury something that's with... I'll just put you here, right here for a second. And... shovel into the ground. No, there's still rocks here. Okay. Man, I hate rocks that are hidden in the ground. Okay, I'm almost done digging. I am almost done. Oh, definitely is not deep enough. Well, I can't get anything off of the rock without the rock moving up here. Right, so the rocks are huge roots. Hey. Almost done. Okay. Okay. Little hole. Ah. Little bird. It's berry time. Okay. Bird. No bird. You can't even tell the difference. Okay, let's do what graveyard people do. Graveyard. Graveyard. People do. And they bury dead bodies. Bury you. Let's just do more. Vibrations. Okay. Boom. Buried. Hey, you want to see what a broken target board looks like? Look. This is what a broken thing looks like. Okay, so yeah. Bye.